are 3 summer English idioms and expressions to use in your daily conversations. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, light as a summer breeze. This expression refers to lightness or carefree happiness. After finishing his exam, Adam felt as light as a summer breeze, knowing he had the whole summer ahead for himself. Number 2, beat the heat. This expression means to find ways to stay cool or to avoid discomfort caused by the hot weather. My favorite way of beating the heat is to enjoy the afternoon exploring the lake in my boat with Bella. Number 3, a breath of fresh air. This expression refers to something new or refreshing. After a long winter, the arrival of summer is like a breath of fresh air, bringing new opportunities. Quiz time now. Choose one of the English idioms to complete this sentence and write your answer in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and follow for more. Ta-da!